Hey everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in Boxycharm pop-up sales, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. At least, or I think this is a pop-up sale. I don't know, it confused me because I've already unboxed my November Boxycharm box. It's the same size as a normal box. I don't recall what I picked up, and I thought I did an Ipsy drop shop, but maybe it was a box. I don't know. I am super confused, and only one way to get unconfused is to open up this box. I just have no idea. It is actually pretty heavy, heavier than my normal monthly Boxycharm box, so I'm dying to see what's in here, and I'm sure it's all gonna come back to me. Yeah, I see the first item. It's coming back to me, and some of you are gonna be shocked when you see it, because I already own 2 and now I own 3. When you guys see this, you're gonna be like, what the heck? So this is from LARUCE, and it's a 5-piece brush set that comes with this carrying case. It retails, I wanna say, for like 50 bucks. And I think I saw it on the pop-up or drop shop, whatever you call that sale, for like $6. Maybe it was $9, I don't know. It was a really good deal, and these brushes are really nice. I use them all the time, so I thought, you know what? Why not? Plus, the container can be used to store the brushes, because guess what? Here, these contain the LARUCE brushes, plus I throw in other brushes as well. It's just super easy and convenient. All right, what else did I get? Oh, yes. All right, do I already own 8 million blush? Sure. Can I add one more to that collection? You bet. This here is from Tarte. It's the Breezy Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Pink Sky. It comes with a little mirror, and that is what the blush looks like. Don't be scared. I know she looks dark, but cream blushes always, or at least my experience, look much darker in the pan, and then when you put them on your face, they blend out. So there it is, one swatch, and then as we blend, that is a beautiful color. Yes, I have a shopping problem. Don't judge me. All right, the next item, what do we have? I totally don't remember ordering whatever this is. It says, oh yes I do. I thought, okay, I'm dyslexic. I thought it said RINNA. And I'm like, I didn't order anything from Fenty. No, it says RINNA Beauty. So this should be from Lisa Rinna. So if you watch The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, you know exactly who Lisa Rinna is. I love Lisa Rinna. I love her little short haircut. And I had to try her makeup line, which of course, the main first product release was her lip glosses. So please, don't be a plumping gloss. I hope not. Ooh, it doesn't have a scent. I don't know why. I thought for sure it would have, you know, the classic vanilla cupcake scent, but no, it doesn't smell like anything. All right, let's first do a swatch, and then I'm going to toss some on my lips. All right, so it's a nudie peachy shade right there. Ooh, goes really well with that blush. Let's toss it on my face. It's a little thick, not sticky, a little pigmented, and the applicator is just a standard doe foot. All right, what else did I pick up? All right, it's Repeat City, but repeat on my terms. I got this Luxe brush set, which I'm fairly certain I already own, if not once, twice, because I love Luxe brushes. And again, this was, I want to say, like $6. Really affordable. Comes with a cute little bag, and inside are 4 brushes and a mini sponge. So yes. All right. And then the last item is a eyeshadow palette. This here is from HIPDOT. This is the Cenote pressed eyeshadow palette. Has a beautiful mirror and lots of lovely blues, greens, teals, turquoise, and then the Wygo Warrior section down here. No, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or put this in to a future giveaway. Again, when I see something of quality at a really, really good price, I don't know, the shopping demons inside me cannot resist, and it ends up in my cart. All right, that is everything that was in my haul. For those who are curious, I'm going to list the MSRP value versus the sale price that I paid, and I think I got a really good deal. Leave me a comment and let me know if you own any of these products. Also, let me know if you think I'm cray-cray for ordering items I already own, or if you agree with me that brushes that you love and enjoy that are on sale for a fantastic price, why not get more? That's what goes through in my head. Or let me know if you picked up any products in the drop shop in the month of November. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you can do me a huge favor, clicking on the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.